Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into Google and confirm you have edit rights. That matters because access controls determine which connectors you can add. Once done, pick or create a data source, GA4, Sheets, BigQuery, or uploaded CSV, so your visuals will pull live data. Then click Create and open a blank report canvas, name the file for clarity, and drag a sample chart onto the canvas to start. This first step ensures your workspace, permissions, and source are correctly linked before building visuals. You now add charts and configure the data. Connect via the connector panel and authorize credentials, because data access drives refresh behavior. Next, create calculated fields for ratios or rates, and blend sources when you need combined dimensions. Blend cautiously to avoid duplicated rows. Make sure to set default date ranges and add filters or segments so viewers see relevant subsets. Test each change with sample date ranges to confirm calculations, and you finish by polishing layout and accessibility. Apply a theme, align elements, label axes clearly, and set responsive options so the report adapts to screens. Once satisfied, configure sharing, grant viewer or editor roles, set link sharing, or schedule emailed PDF exports. For delivery, consider scheduled refresh intervals. If something breaks, first reauthorize the connector, verify field types and joins, and confirm data freshness. Those 3 checks solve most issues quickly. Then make incremental fixes and retest the affected widget.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.